Hey guys, it's Celine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am craving focaccia, garlic and thyme focaccia. So with focaccia, you can pair it with pasta or you can make it like me. I am making a sandwich today. Correction, amazing sandwich. So I'm gonna put some mozzarella, some pesto sauce, baby spinach, tomatoes. I mean, as soon as I smell that bread, it will all come to me. So if you stick till the end of this video, I will quickly go over what I end up putting into my sandwich. Also, if you've been watching my videos before this and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate it. So I'm starving. Let's go over the ingredients and we can begin. We have our water. I'm going to check the temperature. So what we're looking for is we don't want to go over 100 because that's going to be too hot. So 95 to 100 is perfect. So this is at 97. I'm going to go ahead and add the water to my mixing bowl. And then I'm going to add in my yeast. So that's the temperature that we needed to activate the yeast. I'm going to mix it around a little bit. And I'm going to let it sit there for 5 minutes or until I see that it's foaming up a little bit. Okay, so while we wait for the yeast to activate, I have my flour. I added my 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to add my cornmeal and mix that in. So these are the dry ingredients. Our yeast has been activated. It's nice and foamy. So now we are going to add our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of honey. So we have our water, our yeast, our olive oil, honey, thyme, garlic. All we gotta do is just add the dry ingredients and everything is going to be a piece of cake. We're gonna let this poor machine get a workout. We're gonna run it on the highest speed and the dough hook is just gonna do all the work. What we're looking for is for the dough to come off of the bowl.